Let's go across to Theodor Mashele, who is out in Hammanskraal for us this afternoon as well. The Tshwane mayor there looking at the issue of water. One big issue has got to be, Theo, we're talking about the Rooiwal waste water treatment plant. Been a sticky issue for a number of years now. The mayor talking about this. What have we heard? Is everything the way it should be? Is it all working, or what issues are you picking up?
Well, Gareth, this is indeed an issue that draws back years and, in fact, decades here in Hammanskraal, where people have been having an issue of having clean water or clean drinkable water. We are indeed at the Rooiwal wastewater treatment plant, which is the long-term treatment plant that the city has been working in. If you remember, the first deadline to have this treatment plant up and going was in 2020, but then the deadline kept on shifting forward, and now the mayor was here in order to do an oversight visit to see just how far they are when it comes to the work. But there's actually two projects here, Gareth. There's the Rooiwal water treatment plant, which is the long-term one, and then there's the Machali's Clip Drift water treatment plant, which is a temporary measure that has been put in place in order to be able to provide the people of Hammanskraal with water as they sort out the Rooiwal treatment plant. Now, last week, we were with the mayor in Hammanskraal, who then finished phase one, or confirmed phase one of the Clip Drift water treatment plant, and drank the water and gave the water to the people as clean to drink. But today she was here looking at the long-term measure. But she did promise last week that in February, phase two will be complete, and yet another place in Hammanskraal will have clean and drinkable water. Let's just take a listen as to what the mayor had to say when it comes to meeting the deadlines, when it comes to the servicing of the Clip Drift water treatment plant.
In Machali's, as the implementing agent said, there's no risk. There are no risks that we're not going to meet it. But what the deputy minister and the minister have said, don't be lax just because it's February. Can we do it earlier? For a change, can we do it earlier? So next week we're going there. Our technical teams are meeting so that they can see what is possible. Because I think what is important, we've learned lessons in Module 1. There are lessons that now we don't need to wait for these lessons to crop up in Module 2. That there's work that can get started now and not wait for the completion of certain packages of the work.